from clean mountain shores. Every drop of our mineral water contains natural minerals that are beneficial for health, contains calcium, magnesium, and other minerals that help maintain body balance and support healthy bones and the digestive system. Exercise so you can enjoy delicious with protein. The main mineral water is the solution to your hydration needs, process and progress. High quality natural sources that are rich in essential mineral for the body. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.